All right, so I'm going to go ahead and give a demo of the file transformation application. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. So let's go ahead and go to the file transformation, go to here. We're going to choose a file. We're going to upload the file here, hit open, upload the file, create transform. So what we're doing is I'm just going to make a few changes and then just show you what's possible. So go ahead and we're going to hit the country code, and then we want to select the field. You want to select the type of data type it is, and then you say I want to transform that, and then in this case we want to say changes AFG to, let's say, GFA. Okay, so go ahead and that, hit submit. And as you can see, it made the change. So now we're going to go ahead and go to year, and that's obviously a number. And then we're going to go ahead and say we want to transform that adds 10 to the values. So go ahead and hit that. So as you can see, changes the years to 1980. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple different things here. We're going to go ahead and go to the age group. And then that's going to be a string, and then we want to change. We want to change the value 0 to 6 days to. We're gonna say 0 to 10 days. Okay, so we want. So we want to go ahead and change that. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so 0 to 10 days. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to, we're going to do that again for age group. Then we're going to have a string. And then we're going to say, okay, we want to change, since we're doing increments 0 to 10 days, we want to change the next increment to, we want to transform that changes 7 to 27 days to 11 to 27 days. So changes that to that in the age group string. Go ahead and hit submit. And as you can see, 11 to 27. So we just changed, all we did was really just change strings. But again, the possibilities are endless with this. We can change the format. We can subtract different characters. We can do a lot of really granular changes with the data on this. So it's a very useful tool for anyone who, you can remove unwanted commas, etc., etc. So it's a very useful tool. So I'm going to go ahead and, since I know we're going to use this later, I'm going to go ahead and save the data to for a visualization. So save for data visualization. So I'll go ahead and hit that. And then I'm going to go ahead and download the file just so I can show everyone what we're dealing with here. So as you can see, we changed it. There's no more of the other. So Afghanistan's country code changed here. And then, actually, I'll pull it up here so you can see. So again, GFA changed, and then 18, it went from 1970 to 1980. Here's the original file. As you can see, those changed. And, we added 10. So, like, here are the original values. Now here are the new values. As you can see, everything changed by 10. See, so and then you can see that 0 to 10, and then that, we can just, all those increments changed for all these different countries. So 0 to 10, 11 to 27. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. So we're going to be using that file to do a data visualization later. So stay tuned, but that is the first demo we have. And we will be back with the dataset constructor demo. Thank you.